Okay, this is a pretty small little alley called Beco de Carpideira. So there's a lot of these, Beco means like mouth. So these are these little alleys that has mouth. So this one is actually just filled with trash. But we're gonna give you more context and exactly what's around here in a minute. So so just stay tuned. This is Traverso dos Años as well. So, okay. Chiquinha. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So before we go down Beco de Carpideira, Traverso dos Años, you can see this is kind of a pedestrian alley. So basically you can see a lot of like architecture all the way down. So you'll see this kind of stuff, black and white, all the way down. So we'll just kind of show you a little bit of context of black and white before we actually go into the alley. But you can see they just go all the way, and it kind of goes all the way down like that. So today what we're going to do is just kind of check out some of these little becos, including the one behind me. Here's another one, just to give you some context of patio de Beco, which is a patio. So let's focus on our Beco, and our Beco are these little mouth pieces that go down the main pedestrian street of Traverso dos Años. Let's just see what's in here. I don't expect a whole lot, but I did want to give you some context and just kind of show you what is there. This is kind of what's up. It looks like this one kind of goes into, there's places to park, bicycle, motorcycle, Sunweb building. So it looks like a small little building that's like completely on a pedestrian street and an alley. So let's just keep on going down this street. Let's see if the street changes as well. So yeah, you kind of don't really know what's going to be in some of these sometimes. Kind of curious to see what's to the right. So we got a little shrine here, another shrine here. So you're curious about what's to the right, right? So we're going to head around this way. And then this one, there's a different Beco de Capoeira. So we're going to walk down that one as well and kind of capture some of the street art as well. And we also have another shrine right here. And then we're going to go down a little bit and kind of check out all this stuff too. So let's keep on going down. So yeah, some of these, looks like there's a whole little construction area right here. I kind of show you what's up. Rooftops, so those are all rooftops up there. The rooftops are kind of interesting because Macau has a lot of rooftops that I think are illegal. So now we're kind of going down a different Beco. Oh no, Beco de Carpideira. Still the same one. So we're still going down the same one. Carpideira, still continuing. We got more alleys, so that's the one that we kind of navigated down, and we're just right off of that little, that one little street, right? And now we're kind of getting into more stuff. It's like this little makeshift apartment here, it looks like. That looks like a... that looks interesting. Somebody's mail is right there too, so they're getting mail. Looks very makeshift. Looks kind of interesting, right? So you wouldn't think that this is down here. So let's just kind of keep going down a little bit. So we have this whole little thing. Somebody has a table out here. Huh. This is also receiving mail too. And there's like construction and things like that in here. Beer cans. All kinds of cool stuff. Huh. Yeah, it looks like this one keeps on going. So yeah, sometimes you don't really realize what's going to be on one of these, right? So it looks like this is going to be the end of it. But now you got a little coffee shop right here with a Christmas tree. Looks like it goes out into another area altogether. Huh. Let's see. I think this is closed. So yeah, it looks like it goes out into that other little area. I was gonna see if I could go through it, but I think I think it's closed on this side. So there must be a whole other world on the other side, right? A lot of people in this coffee shop. So yeah, you can see, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna come back out of here, give you some context. So yeah, sometimes you go down these little alleys and you know, I've been here 8 years and I've never walked down this alley before. I just didn't really think anything would be there, but there is. So we're gonna navigate back out, and then we'll show you the beginning of this street too, so that you can get a context of exactly what's all in here. There's a little shrine as well. You can see the shrines at the beginning of a lot of the alleys already. Let's kind of go around like this. And we're gonna go back out to Travessa dos Anjos, and then this is the main pedestrian street, but you got all these other little alleys and pedestrian streets too, right? And at the beginning you have all these kind of trash cans right here. And then there's the beginning of the street right there, Beco da Carpideira. And then this is Travessa dos Anjos. So let's kind of capture this a little bit and got all the beauty like that. So yeah, this is a nice pedestrian street, and we're just gonna kind of capture it slowly by going this way, and then we're going to show you where this all comes out to. So if somebody is curious about how to find these little alleys, I would say, you know, go to Travessa dos Anjos, which is this one right here. And then you could also come to this main street right here. And this main street has, I think it's Rua de, I think for Travessa dos Cut. And there's a big bus station right here. As the buses come by. I think it's, can't remember the name exactly. I don't see the street name anywhere. But right over there is some casinos. There's Lisboa Casino right there. So yeah, basically you just come off that main street, go down to Travessa dos Anjos, and then you're gonna see that alley, and that's where we just explored just now. So let's go back there again. And yeah, so that's our alley right there. And we'll finish it right there.